How to log into Santander Bank online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Santander online banking. So let's get started. First step, open up your web browser, and on your web browser simply search for Santander Bank Online. After you search for that, you'll find its website. All you have to do is you can see this online banking account. You can head over to the first link and it should take you to the website of Santander Bank. So right here what you'll need to do is tap on the login button on the top right corner. Then you can finally type in your username right here. Type in your user. Then finally your password. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. And it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.